In this video, I'm going to show you how to present your presentation or design that is made in Canva. So here I have this presentation and I want to present it. So just click on the present button at the top right, then make sure present full screen is selected, and then click on present. So here we're going to be in the presentation view. If your arrow is pointing to the right here, as you can see, mine is pointing to the right, then if you click your mouse, it's going to go to the next slide. If your arrow is pointing to the left, it's going to go to the right, to the previous slide. And if you want your arrow to point to the left, then you'll have to make sure your mouse is in this region, because Canva prioritizes the next slide over the previous slide. So make sure it's around this region if you want the arrow to point to the left. And you can do so. You can also change the slides by clicking on the arrow keys as well. So now we're going to look at some properties or options of this presentation view. Just go down or point your mouse or cursor downwards until this gray bar appears. And here we're going to see another method of navigating the slideshow. You can click on this to go to a specific page or jump to a page or slide. And you can also use these arrows to change between the slides as well. So going over to the right, you can also use the zoom in and out feature. So if you wanted to zoom in on a detail, just grab the slider and pull it to the right. And if you wanted to move around this zoomed in picture, just hold and click your left mouse button. And as you can see, it's going to move around in this manner. And now I'm going to just put this back to normal. You can also click fit to put it back at 100%. And now we're going to look at how to annotate. So click on draw on page button or this little scribbly icon. And now we have 4 tools. We have a pen, a marker, and a highlighter, and an eraser. So the pen is useful if you want to make some markings, or if you're pointing at something, for example, making circles or highlighting something important in the slide. The marker is useful if you want to, if you want a very, very thick marking around some place, then you can use the marker. And the highlighter is just for highlighting, such as this. And you can use the eraser tool to erase any of these strokes that you made. And you can also change the color of any selected a drawing tool by clicking on this color property right here. So I'm going to turn this off now. And yeah, that's it for presenting in Canva. If you wanted to exit the presenter view, just click on this exit full screen, or you can click escape as it says here. So I'm just going to click escape, and we are back at the normal view. And that's it for this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.